Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best tricycles that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Schwinn Roadster Tricycle. With its sturdy steel frame and retro look, the Schwinn Roadster Tricycle ranks at the top of our list. Its vintage-style seat has a low center of gravity that makes it easy and safe for beginners, and its comfortable sculpted seat can be adjusted back and forth according to your child's height and riding stance. The molded steel frame of this tricycle makes it strong, and its vintage theme features mustache-styled chrome handlebars, scalloped fenders, fabric tassels, and a classic bell. Come on, who doesn't love to ring a bell while they're riding? This trike's flexible rubber tires make sure your little one can ride smoothly beside you while you set out for an evening stroll around the neighborhood. Moving on at number 4, we have the Radio Flyer Red Rider Tricycle. If you're looking to get your toddler their first ever tricycle, this Red Rider trike can help your child learn the basics. This tricycle offers comfortable seating and a convenient riding style that's safe for toddlers. Still not convinced? Its molded seat comes with a handle grip that can help you assist your child and navigate their ride easily, and it also makes it easier for you to pick up when the fun's over. This tricycle's adjustable seat can let your child keep riding as they grow older, but we should mention that its tough tires are only suitable for riding on pavement. To make their ride even more fun and adventurous, there's a storage trunk on the back of this trike where kids can keep their favorite toys as they ride around the neighborhood. At number 3, we have the Besrey 5-in-1 Toddler Tricycle. Wouldn't it be great to have a tricycle that modifies itself according to your child's needs? Either use it as a balanced tricycle or remove the pedals and turn it into a baby walker. This Besrey 5-in-1 tricycle offers you supreme flexibility and your child better control over their ride. Not only that, but this tricycle's multi-style option makes it a great choice for children of various ages. This tricycle's minimalist design features a curved carbon steel frame with no edges, making it vibration-proof and safer to ride. It also has a low center of gravity, minimizing the risk of your child toppling over, non-slip handlebars, and a wider wheelbase that can keep your toddlers stable and safe no matter where, or how, they're riding. At number 2, we have the Fisher-Price Harley Davidson Tricycle. If your child, or you, likes motorcycles, why not gift them a miniature version of a cruiser bike that they can easily ride? This Harley-Davidson themed tricycle from Fisher-Price can give your little one a taste of what it feels like to ride a full-fledged cruiser bike. Despite its large, rugged appearance, this tricycle is light enough to be pedaled by a toddler. This cool tricycle has large wheels that reduce the chances of a rollover, even at higher speeds, and it also has large pedals that can help your toddler get a good foothold and start riding. There's also a storage compartment beneath the seat that can hold snacks and toys when your little biker goes out on their next cross-neighborhood road trip. And finally at number 1, we have the XJD 3-in-1 Kids Tricycle. If you want to give your little rider some variety, the XJD 3-in-1 tricycle can certainly keep them occupied. This tricycle features 3 different modes: tricycle mode, 2-wheel balance bike mode, and 3-wheel bike mode. Your child will be able to explore each mode and move on to different ones as they grow older and become more skilled, and the modes can help your toddler learn balancing techniques and get ready for riding a standard 2-wheeled bike. Apart from its 3 different riding modes, this tricycle lets you adjust both the seat and handlebars, making it a great choice for growing toddlers. In addition to its sturdy steel frame, this tricycle also has a cushioned seat for stable and comfortable posture while riding, and it's a great size for toddlers. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.